What an amazing day in the markets, guys. Bitcoin is holding steady above $17,400 with no sign that we go sub 17,000 in the next coming hours, and that is absolutely amazing. Let's see how long we can maintain to stay above that price level. And guys, if you're new to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe, like, and also activate your notification bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And let's directly dive here into today's content. So here on the 1 hourly chart, there has not much changed since yesterday's video. The only thing that we are seeing here is that Bitcoin is trying hard to stay above our resistance level here of $17,400 with multiple touches here of the EMA ribbon on the top side, which is absolutely fine. That means we are still in uptrend on the 1 hourly time frame with the EMA ribbon. And also here we see now a nice bounce here where we dipped into the ribbon and moved here back away to the upside. Just something what I have to point out here, there is a small M pattern. So now if this M pattern would be playing out, which is of course bearish, let me take it here from more or less there, then we are looking at a price target of $17,360. Not the end of the world, in my opinion, as long as the EMA ribbon is not flipping at the same time to the downside. But for now, everything is in alignment with also with the stochastic RSI being here in oversold conditions, which means in the next hour we should see continuation to the upside. We can also have here somewhat of this M pattern and then actually go here further to the upside, something like this. Stuff like this has also happened because an M pattern can still turn into a bull pennant or a bull flag, and then of course go further to the upside here. So we can line out both examples. So if we break it to the upside, we're looking at $17,650. So if you're not in a long or short position yet, where would I take my entry? So I would take my entry at 17,440, more or less. If we close a 1 hourly candle above that level, there I would enter a new long position all the way up to our initial target of close to $19,000. So don't over leverage yourself. And if we have the M pattern playing out, then we can take a small short. So that was here 17,000. Oh, sorry guys, I was mistaken there. Yeah, so that's more or less. So sorry, the target is at 17,260. So then we wait for a breakdown of 17,300. No, sorry, 17,370. So to 17,260, that would be a scalp trade. So there you can use high leverage, have a tight stop loss on that trade, and then you can here scalp this to the downside. So that is not a trade that I would keep open for quite a long time. If the trade turns against you, if you're shorting this, then I would cut the loss and get out, because I think the chance that we continue to move here to the upside is way bigger than any chance that we break here massively to the downside. So now when we go to the other time frames, we see that also on the daily chart. On the daily chart, we have now broken above the neckline, what I was also mentioning a couple days ago and also yesterday, that if we break here above the neckline of the W pattern, then we will see continuation to the upside. Of course, we have red days in between. That's absolutely normal. So if today is a red day, that's fine. Then maybe if we are lucky, tomorrow we continue to pump here to the upside to test the downward sloping resistance line of this symmetrical triangle, so which would bring us all the way up to $17,700. So if you enter the long position at 17,440, there you have almost $300 in profit on 25x with one Bitcoin. That would be $7,500 in easy to make profits here, based on what I'm seeing. And guys, don't forget, we are making consistent profit here on this YouTube channel. The trades are mentioned also in the free Telegram group. Definitely check this out in the pinned comment below and in the description of the video. There are most of the trades posted that I'm talking here about also on the YouTube channel, and also some trades that I'm not mentioning here, so definitely go and check this out. We are literally making here everyday bank with what I'm seeing here developing on the Bitcoin chart. And of course, if you don't have an account yet on BYBIT, definitely use here my link. You still get $30,000 in free bonuses if you deposit a little bit of money on BYBIT with my specific link. And on Bitget, it's $20,000 in free bonuses, also only with the link in the description below or in the pinned comment below. So now here on the weekly chart is also exactly happening what we were talking about. We see here a nice breakout to the upside, so we just have to be a little bit careful here with the weekly chart. I don't want to see this here turning into a massive fake out, because the chance for this is a possibility, you know, so there is a possibility of that. I'm not thinking that it's going to happen. I'm not thinking it's going to happen, but we have to be aware of that. I have seen that multiple times, that when we've broken out on that kind of progress of the pattern of this ascending triangle, that the next candle was a fake out, or this candle will be a fake out. We come back with a red candle into the pattern, we start to go lower here, and then we see a breakdown. So, and that is something that we of course don't want to see here. So we want to close this weekly candle outside the ascending triangle and see continuation to the upside here with further weekly candles going parabolic in the best case scenario. So, and another reason why I believe that is not going to happen to be a fake out is that we have here all indicators lining up. The RSI is showing that the bullish divergence is playing out. We have here a massive buy signal from last week's candle. The stochastic RSI is pointing to the upside, so the momentum is definitely to the upside also on the higher time frames. When we go here to the new brave new coin chart, to the legacy chart, also here we can observe something on the RSI that I had mentioned quite a while ago, that if we come back here in between these two lines here with the RSI, that we will see bullish momentum for the Bitcoin price. And that is exactly what we are seeing right now. And that when we come back in there and we stay in there and are not dropping off again, that the bottom is then most likely in, because every time when we saw that the price dipped out of it and came back, that was also when we found the bottom. So here in this case, the same thing. So here, there was the bottom. So when I would go further back there, the same thing. So here, that it could be that here on the RSI, that the bottom indication is, and the price, so basically the RSI is lagging behind, and in the price we have seen it here already. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again tomorrow.